So Mr. Ralph has been around since November 2013 when I developed a DIY website and Mum and I developed the Mr. Ralph logo together. I had wanted to buy lighting for my renovation in Cambridge, and back then I couldn't find anything that wasn't really expensive or not special. And so I thought, wow, there's kind of an opportunity here, and that's when it started. We opened a little kiosk in Cambridge in 2014 because I lived in a little cottage with a veranda on the front, and we constantly got people wanting to come and look at the lights. So I would meet them at my house with boxes out on the veranda and be showing them all the lights. And we thought, you know what, we need a little place where we can actually hang them and people can see the scale. It ventured into Gordonton about 5 years ago. It's an unusual location. So people go on the website and they think, oh, you're going to be in Auckland or you're going to be in Wellington. For us, it really represents really reasonable lease. There are great people locally, so I've got a fantastic team here. For a customer, there's heaps of free parking. The roads are fantastic. We're just off the Waikato Expressway. It's just really convenient, and we just really like being a little bit unusual. It's about an hour and a half, depending on where you are in Auckland on the expressway. So yeah, it's easy. An hour from Tauranga, 10 minutes from Hamilton. The model that we've got here in Gordonton is that this is a showroom only. So everything that you see on the website is represented here. But we do free shipping from our Pyro warehouses. So you'd place an order in here, we would do a consult with you, we'd put the order through the system, and it would be shipped for free to your home anywhere in New Zealand. I would say that there's a large percentage of our sales to Auckland, because obviously that's the biggest population. But we cannot believe the places that people are ordering lights off the website, you know, right down to the bottom of the South Island. Lots of people in Christchurch, heaps of people in Central Otago, just all over New Zealand. You can be anywhere in this country, whether you're rural, whether you're in the city, and we will deliver to you for free. We're really proud of our 30-day money-back guarantee. And the reason I think it's so important for people is that, particularly with lighting, it's quite hard to figure out the size, the scale, whether it's going to work for you in so many different ways. So I want people to be really delighted with their purchase. So you've got the peace of mind of knowing that you can order online, free ship to your home, and you can have a play with it, hold it up, assess it, and if it's not quite right for any reason, you can return it for a refund or we can swap it for something else.